this is Ryan Estrada, Ronin General Manager, coming with another instructional video in the series. This is for descending on the Ronin Lift. So after you've watched your ascending video, this will be the next step. And first thing to note on the Ronin is obviously the automatic braking system, but the Ronin brake itself is an on or off switch, so it cannot be feathered in any way. So when you want to come down the line, you will physically pull it open and hold it open. And the way you will slow yourself down or control your descent speed is by squeezing the tailing line in your right hand. So I'll pull this open and I'll just squeeze a little bit however I would like to control my speed. And once I want to stop, I'll just simply release the brake with my left hand again. A little bit of an advanced move to save on rope wear is to dislodge the wedge by tapping the thumb wheel and then pulling the brake open simultaneously. It's a little bit easier on the rope, and then also it's a little bit easier to pull down on the brake itself. But that is descending on the Ronin Lift.